Yes, well spotted. Today we're going litter picking. Hello, John Neal here. It's Monday the 7th of February and there's a robin up here fighting against the noise of the traffic and the roadworks, but we've got to go litter picking, so let's go. Fortunately, it's not too cold this morning, and it's the rain's eased off, but it's still wet underfoot. But the sun is out, so let's see if we can spin some positivity onto this part of the litter pick this morning. Well, that's most of the way down here, and there's a certain amount, and a lot of it comes from Lidl, I have to say. It's all drinks and you know, sandwich bags and all that sort of stuff, mostly. But I haven't been down for a while, and I expected a lot more. For some reason, people throw it over this fence, but I can't reach it, like jumping over. And they're very fond of putting it in the hedge over here, which is, I don't know, maybe they think you can't see it. Oh well, anyway, do what you can. I've got a message at this point for any potential litter pickers. If you want to join the Nuneaton, Keep Nuneaton Tidy group, it's a Facebook page with that name, Keep Nuneaton Tidy. Come along, and as the weather picks up, I think we're going to be out picking up more litter. I'll say this again, if you pick the litter up, okay, it sort of doesn't solve the problem, but it means it does discourage other people from dropping it. And here's a word for the litter droppers. If you're going to drop it, look, don't drop it right inside a bush. It takes ages to get out. If you're going to drop your litter, put it somewhere out in the open so I can get it easily if you're going to have to drop it, because you know you want your mum to come and pick up after you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course you enjoyed it. It's a man picking up litter. What a wonderful subject. Anyway, I'll finish now. And that was quite a considerable amount from the section of Hime Lane from near Ambleside down to Lidl. Ah dear. Oh, we do have a sign over here, by the way, which indicates that litter dropping is an offence. I think litter picking ought to be rewarded myself. Here we are, the council finally did something for us and put this up. It's a £100 fine. Take a litter home with you. I'm making a claim that since I've just picked up at least 25 pieces, that's £2,500 they owe me. I think it's going to happen though. Just had a thought. If you like this sort of stuff, why not subscribe to my channel? And you can see more of it. That is me in my twilight years, passing time, picking up litter, going for bike rides to somewhere and back again, a bit of gardening, photography, artwork, might do a bit of music, and I love playing with the drone. So like, it's almost like a returned childhood, this. I love it. Anyway, see you next time, bye bye.